Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to auto-post 1000 reels onto IG. First, open viral marketing feature. I will show you how to set up. Select the videos you want to post. Enter the contents to post on. Choose the accounts you want to use and start. The software will run on itself. Everything is automated. If you are interested in my software, feel free to contact me via Tele and WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe.